It's been a little bit since we've updated, but we've had like a million things going on.
Yeah. I'm a little sick, hence the redness all in this area.
And I'm a little dirty because I've been cleaning the house all day, okay?
We've been getting prepared. So to start it off, my car broke down yet again. I'm in a tow truck. There's my car. And then, because of that, I decided that I needed to get a new car. So
She needed to get a brand new car is what she needed to get, which I'm totally okay with. It'll be way safer for the baby.
Yeah.
The car is adorable.
it's super adorable. I'm getting a new car. And I'm sad because I have to get rid of my old car.
Yeah, she's sitting in the dealership crying because she just bought a new car. Yeah, brand new car. It's really fucking sad because I don't want a new car.
It is sad.
I love pregnancy.
I'm going to give you guys a little tour because I'm really excited. And I'm going to put my little baby on board sign on my car. Also, shout out to Pink Blush Maternity. Seriously, if you're looking for maternity clothes, because believe me, it's been hell, they have really cute stuff. This is my new favorite sweater. The leggings are super comfy and super warm, so it's my new favorite outfit. But anyway, follow me.
Baby on board.
Does that work?
Yeah, perfect.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
That's cute.
That's
All
cute.
right.
I love it.
Well, that's my new car. I love it.
Dun, dun, dun. We also did our first baby shower, which we had to drive up north, which is like a 5-hour drive.
So it was a little road trip.
Little road trip. What's funny? We're headed up north. Apparently, that's
Hi.
Kelly's had a little bit too much sugar, so yeah.
We're going up for our first baby shower. I'm so excited. So I'm also very excited because we're gonna get more food.
Am I even in a lane? Am I not supposed to be over here?
No, there's people. There's people. There's people behind you, and there's people in front of you.
All right. So that's a yes. I am allowed to be in this lane. Sorry, proceed.
Food. I am so excited to eat food.
Me too. All I've had is some garlic pistachios. My hand smells pretty bad.
You've had some fruit snacks. She's had
did.
fruit snacks.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to leave that out of the video.
Why?
Just kidding.
Like, they're just fruit snacks. I ate a Snickers. And I didn't have another one for later. And we're gonna go see lots of our friends and family and get some presents for Kyson. And
Oh, now my hair smells like garlic.
oh god, that was silly.
Proceed.
If you had that spray.
Yeah, Spreets.
Spreets.
I saw it on the Shark Tank.
Shout out to Spreets if you want to send us some product.
Yeah, because
We'll go
I
ahead
need
and
it
take
for my
it.
garlic hands. And for my garlic hair.
You can't spray it in your hair.
Why not?
Because then
You can
people
spray
will
it on
lick
your
your
hands.
hair.
Why? Nobody's gonna lick just because I'm spraying this. Like if I spray it in my mouth, people are gonna start licking my mouth.
Yeah, I will. I will.
Okay. All right, we're out of the slow lane.
Okay.
We're gonna start speeding up now.
Don't do what you did before.
I don't know what that was.
Okay.
My car's being a little testy. We're just children, not testicle. I meant like testy. I gotta stop saying it. Okay. All right. Cut.
What is it, Blue?
Balls butts. The happiness has left the building.
We are, oh.
Not good at filming. That's what we are.
We are Stuck in traffic. Like bad traffic. That's the traffic. Stopped. I look really large. Like, oh my god. Oh, and when people say that your face is flawless and you're pregnant, they lie. So what were you just talking about?
I guess it is time for
If I can pet a baby cow.
What?
Well, because I've always wanted to just pet a regular cow. So I'm going to try to do that this weekend. But I didn't know if it's possible to pet a baby cow. If you approach it, like the baby cows run. I've never seen a baby cow running. But I've also never approached a baby cow. But if there's one there...
Will you try to touch the baby cow?
Yeah.
Is that your goal? Would you rather touch a baby cow?
I think that's setting a pretty high goal. But I don't know if I can reach that.
So just any cow would suffice.
I mean, probably one laying down I'd feel more comfortable with because then it can't get me.
And by get you, what do you mean? What's it gonna do to you?
Like get kicked, just rushed maybe. Like if it
You feel like
was it ram me?
It's not a bull.
I know, but if it's mad, it probably has bull tendencies. There's a lot of cows right there. I don't want to go. I don't think I want to go into like a group of cows. Or I could and just like run through them all
with your hands out
and just touch every fucking cow I can. Like how many cows can you touch? Like Guinness World Record shit. Like in one running, how many cows can you touch?
I don't know if a lot of people have had a goal to touch a lot of cows at one time.
I didn't either until we had this conversation.
Okay.
I was just going to touch one cow. But it's going to be rare to find a field where there's just one cow. There's probably going to be more than one. So while I'm there, you know, should I touch another one? I don't know. I can't tell you how I'm going to feel until I get there. The baby shower was super adorable. Hello.
It's our shower today. We just got to my sister-in-law and brother's house, and everything is decorated and looks amazing.
I mean, probably the cutest baby shower I've ever seen.
Like, seriously, it's adorable. So we're gonna walk you around and show you a little bit.
Little tour.
Little tour. Yay. Hey. Okay, so we're gonna give you a little tour. First of all, my shirt.
Hey now.
My mom got this for me, so very excited. It matched our theme.
Balloons.
Follow me.
Come on, guys.
Oh, I guess we could have gone the other way.
Yeah, you kind of ruined this entire thing.
Sorry. Look how awesome.
This is the cutest thing ever.
Right? This is his name. And then we're going to have everyone sign the book. So then he'll have like little memorabilia of everyone who came. She did this.
These CDs are so awesome.
These are the gifts that everyone gets to take home. And every song on it has Wild in the title.
Genius.
It's so smart. So that's what everyone gets to take home. Super cool. The best part is the garage.
So cute.
Ah,
Okay, wait.
it's
First,
amazing.
when you first walk in, you see this sign.
It says, from far away across the world, he smelled good things to eat.
And then these amazing cake pops.
So cute.
It's amazing.
And they taste delicious. I tried them last night. Like, they're really good. This is the food. Yum.
Good spread. Good spread. And then over here,
My favorite thing, the big K.
which we bought last night at Hobby Lobby, even though I don't think that they like gay people, but whatever. And we got some OJ, some iced tea, some vodka, which that bottle looks really dangerous. So I'm not going to touch that, okay? And then obviously a little coffee station for people that are sissies. And yeah, it's just really freaking cute.
It's first shower. So happy. Now we just need people to arrive. So I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah.
But it did get a little bit crazy.
Our friends are a little bit rambunctious, and it led to a little bit more.
I just burped. Really sorry. Can you do that on camera? I'm
You
really
can
sorry.
do that on camera. That's totally normal.
I didn't fart. So
But
that's
it led
good.
to like.
Not that you know.
She farted.
Oh, I swear to God. Oh,
Um,
God.
But the party got a little out of hand thanks to our group of friends.
Your favorite hostess. The hostess with the mostest. Kelly Smith, Kelly Knight, and Joey Hirsch. And your hair smells so good. And that's such a common trait, but it does not smell like the shampoo that you normally use.
Do you know what shampoo normally use?
I don't know the brand, but I definitely know the scent.
Really? You sniff me that off?
I know my girl's scent. Absolutely. Are you wearing a different...
I'm wearing perfume.
Are you wearing a different... Are you using a different shampoo?
No.
What is that? It smells so good.
Duh.
Can we cancel this recording? Don't cancel it. It's the boss. Yeah. Okay. Ready? 1,